Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends, you are watching CSE Guide official YouTube channel. Today we discuss about those universities who's offering CSE scholarship but they don't require any hard copies and you don't need to pay any application fee. Okay, let's start. Type in Google CSE Guide official and click on the first link. After that you can see here is the detail about all those universities. Either they're demanding hard copies and you need to pay application fee. So all these universities are available here, but we discuss those universities who don't demanding any application fee and hard copies. So this is the third one, fourth one, fifth one, and next more you can get this. Okay, so let's start. The first one is Shanxi Normal University. Shanxi Normal University, no need to pay application fee and no need to send hard copies for Shanxi Normal University Chinese government scholarship. 15th of April 2021 is the last date. I'll just give you the main thing, means last date and no need to send hard copies, and CSE portal and university portal. So another all the other details like required documents and these kind of things you can read here. Come here and read the post. So Shanxi Normal University have just online apply, no need to send hard copies. 15th of April 2021 is the last date, and you need to fill CSE form and university portal as well. So both these portals you can fill it. Okay, so the other one is Southwest University, just online apply, no need to send hard copies. Okay, in April, the last date is in April, but you need to apply as soon as possible. You think that 31st of March is the last date, because no one knows in April which one is the exact date. So just apply online and no need to send hard copies, and you need to fill CSE online application form. Just need to fill CSE online application form. Okay, and if you think that how they track my application if I filled CSE form, CSE online application form, so don't worry about this. University will track your documents and track your application via when you put the agency number and fill the CSE online application form. This way they find your application, so don't worry about this. Another one is Northwest A&F University. 15th of March 2021 is the last date. No, just online apply, no need to send hard copies, and you must fill both these portals. So you just send your all documents in one PDF file to this email address. Okay, means e-scan documents, your scan copies of your documents. So no need to send hard copies, just send scan documents to this email address. Okay, so and the next one is Southwest Jiaotong University, SWJTU. Many students says that Southwest Jiaotong University have 400 RMB application fees. No, at the time of applying, when you will apply, and at that time you no need to pay application fee. You must pay the application fee at that time when you are shortlisted and your name included in the list which offering CSE scholarship. So don't worry about this. Initially you no need to pay. Means when your admission is 100% confirmed, then they inform you. For security reason, means some students get admission in one university and not go to there and go to another university. So that's why they just confirm your seat reservation. For just seat reservation you need to pay 400 RMB application fee, otherwise no need to pay. Okay, you just must fill CSE form and university online application form, and these are the required documents. Okay, and the next one is Northeastern University. Okay, Northeastern University, just online apply. 15th of January to April of 10th 2021 is the last date, and you need to fill just CSE online application form and university online application form as well. So this is the procedure. No need to send email, no need to send your documents to university email address. Okay, and no need to send hard copies as well. So, and another Yunnan Normal University, 30th of March 2021 is the last date. Just online apply, and you must send your all documents material to this email address. It's your material is in PDF form and is zip file as you want, but those universities who mention that you must send your application material in PDF form, you must send your documents in PDF, but they don't mention, so you can send your documents in any format to this email address. Okay, and these are the major which they offering CSE scholarship to this. So click here to apply on CSE portal, and these are the required documents. And the another one is Beijing Forest University, BJFU, just online apply January to April. They never mention on their website what is the exact deadline in April, so apply as soon as possible. And in April the deadline is in April, and so you must apply as soon as possible. So, and you need to fill CSE online application form and UST online application form, both these form. Okay, and the next one is Zhejiang Normal University, ZJNU, and this university have just online apply 30th of March 2021 is the last date. And you need to fill just CSE online application form, no need to fill university online application portal, and no need to send hard copies, and these are the required documents. Okay, and the next one is Wuhan University of Technology, just online apply, no need to send hard copies. March 31 2020 is the last date, and you need to fill CSE online application form and Wuhan University of Technology online application form as well. You need to fill both these. Okay, no need to send hard copies. And the next one is Dalian Maritime University. Dalian Maritime University, the 31st of March 2021 is the last date. Due to current situation, you can see here, here's due to current situation, no need to send hard copies this year. You just mail your serial number and make one file of your all documents to this email address. Okay, on this email address you send your application material. So you need to fill just CSE online application form, no need to fill university online application portal. So, and the next one in Tangong University, this university just online apply 15th of April 2021 is the last date. And these are the majors which they offering. They offer scholarship to these majors, so keep in mind regarding these majors. CSE, you just need to fill CSE online application form, no need to send hard copies, and no need to fill university portal as well. Guangxi Normal University, just online apply 30th of April 2021 is the last date. All international students can apply, and you can see here's the detail. Just fill CSE online application form, and these are the required documents. And the next one is Nanjing University of Science and Technology, NJust. NJust is the this university have just online apply. All CSE applicants should email all required documents as PDF and name their files to apply at NJust at this. You can send your documents to this email address, and like this, last name, passport number, and serial number. Here is the PDF file. Okay, .pdf means your PDF file name like this. 30th of April 2021 is the last date, and you need to fill just online, just CSE form, no need to fill university online application form. Okay, and send your documents via email, not hard copies. And the other one is Nanjing Normal University CSE scholarship detail. All these universities in this video, all these universities no need to pay application fee, and don't need to send hard copies. So keep in mind, Nanjing Normal University and you. 30th of April 2021 is the last day. Just online apply, no need to send hard copies, and no need to send sorry, no need to send hard copies, and no need to pay application fees. Fill the CSE online application form and university online application portal. These are the required documents. Okay, and the next one is China University of Mining and Technology, CUMT. 2nd of April is the last date. Just online apply, no need to send hard copies, and you can see here's the detail. No need to pay application fee as well. CSE for CSE scholarship, no need to pay application fee, and click here to apply on CSE portal. Okay, just on CSE portal, no need to apply on university portal as well. Halong University, so you can see online apply due to current situation. Just online apply, no need to send hard copies. We confirm from the university about that. They says no need to send hard copies. Just online apply. 30th of March 2021 is the last date. These are the major which they are offering scholarships for scholarship offers to these majors, and you need to you need to fill just CSE online application form. When they require documents, then they'll inform you. I think when you are shortlisted, and for confirmation maybe they required hard copies, but at the time of applying you no need to send hard copies to this university. So the next one is Lanzhou University of Technology, LUT. So this university have just online apply, no need to pay application fee, and end of March means 31st of March 2021 2021 is the last date. So no need to pay application fee, no need to send hard copies, just fill CSE online application form and wait for that for your results. Okay, if your major is in English, then it's okay, and if your major is in Chinese, then you need to pass HSK level 4 already. You must have HSK 4 already before applying. So Lancho University, this university, the 30th of April 2021 is the last date. No need to pay application fee, no need to send hard copies. You must fill CSE form and university online application form as well. Okay, Chongqing University of Post and Telecommunication, April 30th 2021 is the last date. No need to send hard copies and no need to pay application fee, and you must fill CSE online application form, CQ online application form, and okay. This Chongqing University of Post and Telecommunication Chongqing Municipal Mayor Scholarship. For this scholarship, you need to fill this form, and you need to fill CQUPT Chongqing Municipal Government Scholarship as well. These form, but this is not included in our topic. This is mistakenly added because this university have mayor scholarship and presidential scholarship discussed in another video. So we skip this one because we just focus today we focus on CSE scholarships. In the very next video, maybe we will discuss about presidential scholarship, provisional scholarship, and these kind of things. Okay, Dongbei University of Finance and Economics. So CQUPT CSE scholarship already announced, and we look here. We wanna search, but I think in this page not mention about okay, let's discuss about that in this video at the end. Okay, Dongbei University of Finance and Economics, Dufe University have just online apply, no need to send hard copies. 31st of March is the last deadline is the 31st of March, and these are the major for offering whose students whose major included in this you can apply, otherwise you don't need to apply. You must need to fill CSE online application form and university online application form as well. Okay, and the next one is Dalian Jiaotang University, DJTU. DJTU 31st of March 2021 is the last date. Just online apply, no need to send hard copies. These are the majors with the offering scholarship, but in this university you must have HSK 4. HSK 4 is mandatory because in this university all majors are in Chinese and you must have HSK 4. Kunming Medical University, just online apply, 20th of March the deadline, and no need to pay application fee and no need to send hard copies. You must fill CSE online application form. Okay, no need to fill university online application form. And the other one is Shandong Normal University. Okay, Shandong Normal University, just online apply, April 10th 2021 is the last date. No need to fill hard copy, no need to send hard copies, no need to pay application fee, just fill CSE online application form. No need to fill university online application form. Nanjing Agriculture University, this university just have online apply and no need to send hard copies. 31st of March 2021 is the last date. Keep in mind because many students says that this university have 400 or 500 RMB application fee, but students applied, the last they applied they says you need to pay application fee at that time when you are shortlisted for scholarship, not at the beginning. But you need to if you think that you want to confirm and you need to confirm from the university, then you can. Okay, Northeast Normal University, NENU, this university have just online apply, no need to send hard copies, but you send your all documents material which you are uploaded and on CSE portal and university portal for this university, and send you must fill CSE online application form and university online application form, and the documents I think this university have application fee, I think so, left this. Okay, Yangzhou University just online apply, 15th of April 2021 is the last date. Okay, and no need to pay application fee, and all this university have required documents, and you need to fill CSE form and university online form as well. Okay, Soochow University, you can apply if you want to apply this university. You must I confirm from the university, this is just online apply, 15th of April 2021 is the last date, and you send your all documents material, Chinese government scholarship application form and Soochow University online application form to this email address. Okay, you must fill CSE online application form and Soochow University online application portal, and send your documents send your documents via email, not in hard copies, to this email address. Okay, and the next one is China University of Petroleum, CUP CUP. I confirm from the international office of this university, and they say just online apply. And their official advertisement, the advertisement is old. So I confirm from the university. They says you must have, you need to fill you need to fill just online CSE online application form. No need to fill university online application form for this university as well, and no need to pay application fee. I confirm from the international office. This is 15th of April, mid-April is the last date, and this is just online apply. I say when I says but on your university website, you mention on your university website that you must apply on university portal. So what's the reason? They says you apply on university portal at that time when you are shortlisted and your application will be sent to you CSE. At that time you need to fill. We ask via, if you are shortlisted, then we inform you via email that you must fill the university online application form. But for scholarship, CSE scholarship, at the beginning you need to fill just CSE online application form, and they says you just track your documents and you track your application via CSE online application form, because when you enter your CSE serial number of desired university and submit the application form, CSE online application form, then your file, your application submitted to that university, the university, that agency number which you put in your online application form. And the last one, Chongqing University of Post and Telecommunication, CQUPT. 30th of April 2021 is the last day. Just online apply. You must fill CSE online application form and university online application form. No need to pay application fee, and no need to send hard copies. And you must fill the requirement and all the categories which they mention here. Means you must read the post here, because when sometimes university says you must print your documents and print your form, online application form, and sign it and upload it on CQ portal. Means when you fill CSE online application form, after submitting the CSE online application form, when you download your CSE online application form and need to upload on your portal, you upload your CSE application form and other documents on this portal. But this is on the download, the CSE form which you downloaded must sign on your must sign at the last page of your CSE online application form. Otherwise your application will not be accepted. So keep in mind these things. So hope so you will get everything which you want, and in the very next video inshallah we will discuss about university scholarships, or we discuss about the second round. About second round means the universities which we left in this video. So we'll discuss about we will discuss those universities in the very next video, that which university have just online apply and no need to send hard copies. So good luck and take care of yourself. We'll meet you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.